The United Kingdom has approved a vaccine. The rollout begins on Monday. Russia is already giving shots to its citizens, but selectively. The US wants to start inoculating its citizens before Christmas. What about India? As the world gears up for the vaccines, India has kicked off its own preparations. For the first time today, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi outlined India's vaccine strategy, the priorities for the country, the preparations, and the plan for mass inoculation. The Indian Prime Minister believes India will not have to wait for long. The vaccine could be ready within weeks. So how does India plan to inoculate more than 1 billion citizens? What role will India play in enabling global access to vaccines? And what is the biggest challenge before this vaccine rollout plan? We tell you all that you need to know in the next 15 minutes. Let's first tell you what happened in New Delhi today. Prime Minister Modi participated in an all-party meeting. This came after his visit to 3 vaccine manufacturers last week. The Indian Prime Minister informed different political leaders about India's preparations and said that Indians could get a vaccine within weeks.
एक्सपर्ट्स ये मानकर चल रहे हैं कि अब कोरोना की वैक्सीन के लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंतजार नहीं करना पड़ेगा। माना जा रहा है कि अगले कुछ हफ्तों में कोरोना की वैक्सीन तैयार हो जाएगी। जैसे ही वैज्ञानिकों की हरी झंडी मिलेगी, भारत में टीकाकरण अभियान शुरू कर दिया जाएगा। भारत के वैज्ञानिक अपनी सफलता को लेकर बहुत ही आश्वस्त हैं। उनका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बहुत ही मजबूत है जी। अभी अन्य देशों की कई वैक्सीनों के नाम बाजार में हम सब सुन रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर भी दुनिया की नजर कम कीमत वाली सबसे सुरक्षित वैक्सीन पर है और इस वजह से स्वाभाविक है पूरी दुनिया की नजर भारत पर भी है।
Let's break down what the Indian Prime Minister said. There are 8 vaccine candidates that are on India's radar. They are in different stages of trials, and these vaccines can be manufactured in India. There are 3 vaccine candidates that are made in India. This means they are being developed in India. These vaccines are also in different stages of their trials. With the rollout now barely weeks away, India is also laying down a list of priorities. Who will get the vaccine first? The healthcare workers, like several other countries, will be the first to get the shots in India. 10 million healthcare workers are first in line to get the vaccine, followed by 20 million frontline workers. This includes police and armed forces personnel and municipal workers, among others. 270 million senior citizens will be eligible for the jab too. Those with serious health conditions are likely to be prioritized. A national expert group has been created. This includes technical experts as well as officials from the central and the state government. This group will shoulder the responsibility of India's vaccine campaign. The focus is on vaccines that will be cheap and safe. It is what the world needs to defeat the Wuhan virus. A small group of wealthy countries have already grabbed more than half of the potential doses in the world. This includes countries like the US, the UK, Japan and Canada. They have struck deals that ensure large enough supplies to vaccinate their entire populations with doses to spare. In comparison, an alliance of more than 150 countries has only managed to secure 700 million doses. I'm talking about COVAX, the global alliance for equitable vaccine access that includes several poor countries. Clearly, money is playing a big role in determining who gets a shot. So the world will be watching India closely, because if it accomplishes its mission to ensure cheap and safe vaccines for all, several countries could reach out to New Delhi for help.